step-by-step demonstration of aluminium extraction from aluminium dross. Pour the collected waste aluminium dross into a heating vessel, gradually increase the temperature whilst continuously stirring and turning the dross to ensure it is heated evenly. A specialized slag stirring agent is then precisely added to accelerate the separation of aluminium from the slag and promote the complete melting of the metallic aluminium. As the temperature continues to rise, the metallic aluminium in the slag gradually precipitates, forming pure molten aluminium. Once the melting reaction is complete, the high-temperature molten aluminium is carefully poured into a mold, where it cools naturally and solidifies, ultimately yielding a complete, dense ingot of recycled aluminium, thereby effortlessly achieving the efficient recovery and reuse of aluminium slag.